Can you do this Blackpink logo? Okay, so this is the topic for today's video. How to get Blackpink logo like this comment and Blink too, plus how to save them, and lastly, other customized text arts of Blackpink and Blink. The font used for the official Blackpink logo is called Primetime. To get the Blackpink and Blink logo with this font, first go to your search engine like Google and type keywords like Blackpink logo text copy paste, Blackpink and Blink logo font copy paste, Blackpink text art copy paste, Blackpink and Blink logo symbol copy paste, or other related keywords like this. Search by any of the keywords like this, and then you can use the websites to get Blackpink logo font. I will keep the link of this website in the video description. Type your text and copy it from here like this. You can also try out other keywords and get more Blackpink text arts. I will give you the link of this website and some other websites like this in the video description. You can get many more Blackpink text arts like this. You can copy the text arts from the websites and paste them as you want. You can also create Blink logo from the Blackpink logo by removing some of the alphabets from the middle. Now copy the Blink logo from here, and if your keyboard has clipboard, then pin it there to save it permanently. You can also save it in the personal dictionary by going to your keyboard settings. Paste the text here and add a shortcut for it. Now just type the shortcut and tap on it from your keyboard suggestions. To make other customized Blackpink and Blink text arts, use the logo text and add symbols and emojis from your keyboard to decorate it. You can make bold text by using the star symbol before and after of your text or emoji with no space. You can use more symbols from your keyboard to decorate it more. You can use more symbols from the Kawmoji section of your keyboard. And also from the Japanese keyboard. The Japanese keyboard has so many symbols. To download the Japanese keyboard, go to your keyboard settings and then download it from the languages option. Then tap on the globe icon or the space button at the bottom of your keyboard to switch between languages. You can make many more text arts like this. Make sure to try them out in the comments. And to watch the full process of how to get this type of symbols, click on the video on the screen, check out the playlist to see all of my videos of text arts like this, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.